Hello, I'm in a game. Hello, I'm in a game. Hello, I'm in a video with my daddy.
Well, as you guys know, I've been working on this kit right here. And here's kind of some of the stuff I've been able to get done. Like, for instance, there's the base. I might do some more weathering and stuff on it, but I've been dry brushing a bunch of like oranges, tans, kind of give it that. I actually like how this turns out. There's a couple spots where it's a little darker, but it'll be okay. I got they're not quite where I would like them to be, but you know, that's that character. I got the hat done for that, or the headpiece done for that, and then I got the brown laid out for the head. Yeah. And I might have to do some touch-ups, so this hat kind of stands out a little bit, but um, I still have to do the what do you call it? The band around the hat. Um, but yeah, that I mean it's turning out really good. Um, and it even has the imprint of the guy's face, so you can kind of get it back into spot once you get it, you know. Um, here's the face for Kevin Bacon. I'm getting the skin tones kind of. It's gonna be a little bit lighter. I still have a bunch of pastels and oils I got to put on this. Um, and then some of the hands and stuff. Um, I kind of wanted to, the skin tone. I kind of wanted to do more of a like these guys have been out in the sun all day kind of look. Um, so you get kind of more of a orange, suntan, sunburn. As you can see, there were holes in these from the last video, and you can't even tell where that hole was at. I mean, it is gone, and that's me using this stuff. This stuff works really, really good. I'm slowly becoming a fan of it. And these holes aren't like this one. That's the size of that hole when it, you have to do something with it. And then there was one right there, and you can see it's pretty much, there's kind of a small outline, but it's going to get hidden with clothes. Here's the fist. I still got a little bit more work on the skin tone stuff, but I'm really, really happy with how this came out. I've got to do a little bit lighter of a skin tone. Probably something like that color. over the top just to kind of give it that so he doesn't look completely orange. Um, this is what I'm really, really proud of. Kevin Bacon's character had one of these hats, and they have a white, a yellow, so I don't know if it'll clear up, but I mean, I really, really do like how this turned out. There's a couple spots I couldn't hit with the white, but I started out with just a plain yellow and kind of just dry brushed. Well, it's called robes from Army Painter, but yeah, I'm super, super happy how this turned out. Um, the skin tones I still have to work on a little bit. I haven't started on any of the clothes. And then I think sometime after Memorial Day is going to be the next bust. Um, and I'll show that in a little bit later of an episode. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little update, and I will see you guys next time.